Hey guys, before my dad starts the video, don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit that notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
What's going on? It's your boy Kerry, if you brand new to this channel, go ahead and click the bell to be notified. But before that, subscribe, because we definitely want you to make sure that you're catching the heat every time we're dropping a video. So this song we're going to go by the Hamiltones is soulful, like collard green juice, cornbread, pinto beans, ham hocks, that kind of soulful. I'm fond of the Hamiltones because we got a chance to work together a couple years ago with Kurt Franklin and Tori Kelly. So I know these boys can sing, and this song right here has definitely got that soul, got that sauce, got that hot sauce on it. So I'm going to show you a few ideas how to approach a song like this. And this is, like I said, I'm not going to go over the whole song. I don't want you to think that, oh, he's doing the whole song. I'm just going to give you guys a couple snippets, something to chew on, something to, you can take home with you, you can work on in your own space. So let's just jump right in, because I don't want to take up too much time just explaining this song. But let's just jump right in. Let's just take a listen to it, and then let's get in it. Let's just really get in it. All right, let's just do it. Alright, let's just jump right in. Alright, so when I'm hearing this song, I'm hearing this soulful kind of bounce. Doom, 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 doom. So what I'm thinking about, number one, I need to know what key the song is in. So the song is in the key of B major. So anytime that I'm playing any kind of song, I'm always associating with the major key. Doesn't matter if the chord starts on the minor or not, because I want to use the same format and same formula whenever I'm playing this song. So this is the approach that I'm hearing. I hear like a diminished walk up into like a minor 9. So that G minor diminished, so G diminished. So that walk up. Then I'm doing that hammer on kind of. And I will occasionally go to the numbers. So if you're not familiar with the numbers, you definitely want to check out Kerry's game so I can explain to you how the numbers work, what the numbers mean. So when you hear me refer to the numbers, I may not say the chord every single time, but just so you guys know. So I went to that 3. So I did that walk up again. Off of the 6. That 3. That 4. That's the main approach that I want you to start working on. That soulful kind of bounce, that collard green juice. This is it. All right, so. So when I did that move right there, off of the 4, I'm gonna go to that minor 9. But again, how I'm approaching, how I'm thinking about it, it could be my 5 chord, because it's really gonna be my 2. But I'm just thinking it's the same hand position for me. That's the movement that we want to work on. Blah, 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 da, 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 da. So it's a whole thing together. So. concept. So let's just jump back in and play along with it real quick. Here we go. So you get the concept, So that's, I'm telling you, this is the kind of approach when you're playing. Number one, it gives you some ideas. Now, this is just an idea. You can, of course, follow along with the song and play the chord progression the way that it is. But if you're trying to add some other kind of elements to really bring that soulfulness out, this is how you do it. This is how you step on the gas. This is how you give them all gas, no brakes. So this is another approach. If you want to learn stuff like this and a whole lot more, you should definitely check out Kerry's Camp, KERYSKAMP.com. I'm going to show you really how to unlock the fretboard and play to your full potential. This is that kind of stuff that you can practice. The Hamilton's Best Friend. It's a great song. If you're really looking for that deep southern roots, that fried chicken and collard greens kind of music, this is that kind of stuff. This is really the kind of stuff that gives you that soulful stuff. Kind of got R&B and church kind of combined together. This is the stuff that's going to be like your foundation if you're really